Hi Year 2, in today's video we're going to be looking at column addition. Now, we've focused on addition and subtraction in Year 2 already, where we see an equation that might look like this, where we have our part and we want to find the whole. You might remember that we did the partitioning method where we'd partition each number and then add the tens, add the ones. Well, actually, there's also another way that we can do it, and that's by using column addition. It's basically doing the same method, but in a quicker way. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to label our tens and label our ones. In 23, there are 2 tens and 3 ones. Because remember, 23 is 2 tens and 3 ones. 20 and 3. Remember, it's not 20 tens. 20 tens would mean you've got 20 of these, which would actually be 200. It's just 2 tens because 10 and 10. 2 tens, 3 ones. And then 56 has got 5 tens and 6 ones. Again, it's the same as saying 5 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 6 ones. 56. Okay, now that I've done that, I can actually arrange this in a certain way. I'm going to put my tens and my ones just up there. And I'm going to stack the numbers up so I can add them. So 23, 2 tens, 3 ones, and I'm adding 56, 5 tens, 6 ones. I'm going to draw my line, and now I can add my ones and then add my tens. We always start with the lowest place value in column addition or column subtraction. We always start with our ones or the lowest place value. So here we've got 3, add 6. Using my number bonds, I know that's 9. And then I've got 2 tens, add 5 tens, which would give me 7 tens. Therefore, 23 add 56 equals 79. We can also display this pictorially by having, let's see if I can make it tens, ones. If I draw my tens and ones chart, I've got 2 tens, 3 ones for 23, and I'm adding 5 tens and 6 ones. So really, what I'm doing is I'm just adding my ones and then adding my tens. We said our answer was 79. Let's check that using our deans. In our ones, we've got, let's add the total together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. Yes, I'm going to give that a tick. And then in my tens, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. 7 tens. My answer is 79. Okay, this time I've put up a different question. Let's have a go at doing this. If you feel confident, feel free to pause the video now and have a go. If not, that's fine, keep watching and we'll figure out how to work this out together. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is label my tens and label my ones. In 67, I've got 6 tens and 7 ones. And in 32, I've got 3 tens and 2 ones. Now I'm going to write my tens and my ones. Okay. In 67, there are 6 tens and 7 ones. And I'm adding, never forget to put that operation if you're adding or subtracting. 32, 3 tens, 2 ones. Draw my line. Okay. 7 add 2 is 9. And 6 tens add 3 tens gives me 9 tens. My answer is 99. Okay, let's do another one. What about if we had 20? I want you to pause the video now and have a go at doing this. Your equation is 26 add 51. Have a go now, and then you can come back and see if you get the same answer. Okay, hopefully you had a go. I'm going to go through this and work it out. In 26, we've got 2 10s and 6 1s. In 51, we've got 5 10s and 1 1. Tens and ones. 26 has 2 10s and 6 1s. 51 has got 5 10s and 1 1. Remember to write that operation. Draw our line and let's add with the lowest place value on our right. 6 add 1 is 7. 2 add 5 is 7. Our answer is 77. Okay, I've put 3 questions for you to have a go at. I've got 21 add 73, 50 add 26, and 16 add 32. I'd love if you had a go at doing this and then uploading your answers to Seesaw, whether it be through a note or a video or a picture, whatever you prefer. Have a go, see how you do, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.